Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Yes, again, welcome to the Google Classroom. In this recorded lesson, we are going to know about the concrete and abstract nouns, which is on page number 22 and 23 of Focus book. So I request you all kindly take out your Focus book and open the page number 22, and then you will write the date, classwork, and day on the top of the page. Yes, today's learning objective is we will be know the difference between the concrete and abstract noun. As you know very well about the nouns. What are the nouns basically? Basically, the nouns, as you know that, are the naming words which tell us the name of person, place, thing. Okay, but here in this lesson or in this lesson or in this topic, we are going to know about the concrete and abstract nouns basically, and we will know the difference of concrete and abstract nouns. So let's get started our lesson. I hope you have written the date, classwork, and day on the top of your page because you will write or you will do the classwork on page number 22. Yes, what are concrete nouns? Concrete, as you know that nouns are the naming words, but here the concrete nouns are the names of things which exist outside your mind. Means the things we can see. Basically, the things, all the things we can see, we can touch, we can taste, we can hear, or we can smell things. So, the things we can touch or we can see, or basically called the concrete things or concrete nouns. Now have a look on abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are nouns which represent thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Means which basically tells us about the feelings, the emotions, the state, or the things we cannot touch, or the things we cannot taste, or the things we cannot see, or the things we cannot hear and smell. So all the things just comes in our mind, and it can be the thoughts or ideas or emotions or the feelings. So all the naming words for showing the thoughts, or showing the ideas, or showing the feelings are called abstract nouns. Okay, is it clear now? Yes, you can see on your book here the example has been given to you. I tried to stand but found, to my astonishment mean is a kind of state, is a being in a state of shock. He was shocked or great, surprised or amazed. So he was surprised that I tried to stand but found to my astonishment that I couldn't move. I was tied up with rope. So here the arrow is showing that astonishment is an abstract noun because it is telling us about the state. Okay? It's only the thing we cannot touch it. We can just feel it. Okay? It's a kind of feeling. And the drop is, you can see these are the drops, so we can touch this thing, and this is the concrete noun. What is this? This is a concrete noun. Rope is a concrete noun, and astonishment is a kind of state or is a kind of emotion that cannot be touched, that cannot be hear or see or taste. Okay. So this is all. I'm going to repeat again. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are only the things or only the word that showing the emotions, the feelings, the state or thoughts or idea that's just in our mind. So we cannot touch them, we cannot taste, see, hear, or smell them. Okay? Is it clear now? Now the concrete things that only exist outside our mind, and we can touch them, we can see them, we can taste them, and we can hear and smell them. I hope this is clear to you now. Now move to the question number 1. We are going to write on the book. You're supposed to write your work on your book, page number 22 of focus book. Yes, this one. So copy this chart and write each noun in the correct column. Okay. In this part, you will write some words have been given to you, and you will just write in the write in the related column, the relevant columns. Two columns have been given to you: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. You will just pick the words and then you will write in the relevant column whether the word will come in the concrete noun or in an abstract noun. Bread, honesty, Carwan, pen, emptiness, wonder, door, beauty, computer, belief. Okay, now come to the concrete nouns. What words will come in the column concrete nouns and what words will come in the abstract nouns? So first you will write the concrete nouns. Yes, bread is a thing that is a concrete, or that's a thing that we can touch and we can see. You will write bread in concrete nouns, then you will write the car one, then you will write pen and door and computer. Okay? Yes, in abstract noun, you will write honesty is a abstract noun, is a state. Okay, so we cannot touch it. And then emptiness, wonder, beauty, and belief. Okay, the yellow ticks are showing the concrete nouns and red ticks are showing abstract nouns. So you will write in the relevant column. Okay, now come to the question number 2. You will copy the sentences, complete each one with an abstract noun from the box. So from this box, you will write the relevant or accurate, appropriate word or appropriate noun for the given blank. The giant had, okay, the words are danger, fear, speed, poverty, strength, and anger. Okay, the giant had the dash of 10 men. Will you write danger? No. Will you write fear? No. Will you write speed? No. Will you write poverty? No. Will you write strength? Yes. You will write the word strength in the given blank. Now the B is the little people were terrified and looked at the giant with dash. Because the people were terrified, so they were looking at the giant with danger, speed, poverty, strength, and anger, or fear. Yes, fear. Okay, you will write fear. Then the C is the speed, the dash of the car was amazing. You know that you would write the speed here. In third one, in fourth one, there is dash in climbing mountains. Yes, definitely you would write danger. That is the abstract noun. The cook was filled with dash when she saw the mess in the kitchen. Anger. Okay, the last one is the beggar lived in dash poverty. Okay, now move to the next part of page number 23. After completing this, you will come to the page number 23. Question number 1. Underline the abstract noun in each sentence. What will you do? You will underline the abstract noun in each sentence. Very easy question. The old man had great patience. Yes, patience is abstract noun. There was love in the eyes of the mother when she held her new baby. So, love is another abstract noun. Louis looks at her present in astonishment. You already done in the example earlier. The beauty of the mountains were incredible. Yes, beauty is also. You will just underline it. If you could have one wish, what would it be? So wish is an abstract noun. The explorer showed courage when she was attacked by a wild bear. Yes, courage. Now come to the question number 2. Change each of these adjectives into an abstract noun. Very interesting question and very easy question. You have to change adjectives into abstract noun. Okay? So sick, the first one has already done for you. Sick is an adjective and you will change into abstract noun by just adding ness, sickness. Yes, the B is ugly, ugliness, dark, darkness, hot, danger, dangerousness, hot, hotness, joyful, joyfulness, foolish, foolishness, silly, silliness, high, highness, wealthy, wealthiness. Okay? Or for wealthiness, you can, or you will also write wealth here. I hope you have done this question as well. Now move to the next part. So this is all your classwork. You will do it on the focus book page number 22. No need to write on notebook. You will just do it on the book page number 22 and 23 of focus book. Yes, this is your home task now. Now you have to write or you have to do the homework as well. You will just do the question number 3 of focus book page number 23 on language notebook. So this is a very clear instruction that you have to write on language notebook, and you know how to do your homework. You need to draw the margin lines on both sides, and then you will write the date, homework, and then day. And after this you will write the topic, because I have written here for you the topic, which is concrete and abstract nouns. And you will also mention the page number 22, and then you will write the learning objective, enable them to differentiate the concrete and abstract nouns. Okay, after this you will write the question. After this you will write the question that you have to write about. What you have to write, you will you will just write 5 sentences containing some of the abstract nouns you have made in question number 2. Okay. Yes, students, this is your question. You will write 5 sentences. You will write this question, which has been on your screen now. Write 5 sentences as write 5 sentences. Okay. Some of the abstract nouns you have made in question number 2. I'm going to repeat this question again. Write 5 sentences, some of the abstract nouns you have made in question number 2. So I have given or inserted this image just for you. It's also on your page number 23, the question number 2. And these are the adjectives and which you have already changed into the abstract noun. You will just pick any 5 abstract nouns from the question number 2 that you have done, and then you will just make you will use them in your own sentences. Okay, those abstract nouns you will use in your own sentences while writing in your language notebook. Am I clear to you now? Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. You will do all these things on the language notebook, then you will write the question. You will just use 5 abstract nouns which you have made in question number 2, and then you will use those abstract nouns in your sentences. And this work will be done on your language notebook. I hope it is clear to you now. So, this is all from my side. See you again. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.